Audison's APX 4 coaxial speakers deliver a surprisingly refined full-range sound for compact factory locations, making them an excellent upgrade over stock drivers in small doors or dashboards. The combination of a dedicated woofer and a separate tweeter in the same axis produces a cohesive soundstage, so vocals and instruments feel well-centered and natural across the front of the car. Their wide frequency coverage means you get convincing bass presence along with smooth high frequencies, avoiding the thin or harsh character common in many small car speakers. The treated paper cone and carefully shaped surround give these speakers tight, controlled low end that stays composed even when you turn the volume up. With solid power handling and an efficient design, they work well both on factory head units and with aftermarket amplifiers, giving you flexibility in how you build your system. A shallow mounting depth and dimensions, tailored for original equipment openings, make installation straightforward in many vehicles without cutting or major modifications.